Wait, we gotta set up. Wait,
What?
we gotta set up the room.
What?
You gotta make it dark.
What are you doing?
This is the setting for your videos. Is it recording, Zach?
Boris.
Yep.
Headphones. Let's do this.
Are you scared? Are you scared? Adam! Let's go.
Alright, what we doing? What we're doing? Act one space 2.
Okay, wait on.
Why on earth am I chasing a ball? Chasing a ball, I don't get it.
It's because the ball rolling downhill.
Why on earth am I chasing a ball? What is this? Dude. Bro, I'm walking. Nightmare Freddy.
Hold shift. Run.
There it goes, that's better. Come on, can I see all the cutscenes?
No, I need to watch them.
Huh?
Where's the volume?
Can you hear it?
Nope.
Are you plugging the right wire?
That's better. Yeah.
Stop! No!
The red key's just out there in the open. Wait. Wait, John Ford?
Break in.
You know the
That's
mystery
different.
legend of John Ford?
No,
You know who shot?
I did not know that. I don't even know who the guy is.
Adam, go to the house.
Guys, I don't even know who the guy is.
Go in more stuff.
I ain't going in.
Press E to open. And hold E to open. Go, go.
No, I bet some people are gonna be frightened by that. Literally. So basically, Fredbear is the neighbor. 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 What am I supposed to do?
Break in. Stealthily.
Break-in story.
Break in story.
Seriously, what am I supposed to do?
You have to get to the end. You get to the basement.
Seriously, what am I supposed to do? The red key's just out there in the open. Cause like the second he the second I go in his house, I'm Boris. Okay, whose idea was it to put a bear trap here? The red key's just out there in the open. And whose idea was it to the red key's just out there in the open? Put Fredbear in this game.
The red key's just out there in the open.
Harry Jarvis. We're from the Morning Chronicle. I
The red key.
if we could come in for a minute. Well, I am rather busy.
Where's the This must be in the basement. Yep, definitely. Can I pick up items? Boris.
Hey!
I can't tell if he's behind me. 2 rows of teeth. Nope. That sound just makes it. That sound. I feel like
Get boxes. Go find boxes.
that sound. I feel like he's right next to me. Like he's right next to me. How do I pick up boxes? Hey. How do I pick up boxes?
Hold E.
No? Try again.
Hey!
This is welcome to the game, basically. Okay. Bro! I didn't even do anything! Bro, I didn't even do anything. He's just not. Red keys just out there in the open. Okay, okay. Whoever put Spring Bonnie in Spring Trap in this game, remove him. Why on earth is he? Alright. Wait a second. This is the neighbor's car! Right here! This right here is the neighbor's car! What happens if I...
Hey!
What? What is it? Is this an Easter egg? Yeah, is this an Easter egg? What is this? Is this an Easter egg? Very rusty. Like, very...
Hey!
Bro! Bro, you can't make any noise. Bro, you can't make a single noise in this game. This is basically welcome to the game, except... Spring Trap.
Hey!
Every time. Wait, what is this? What in the world is this? Okay, so we just learned that. We just learned about the crash, but this car's here. Bro, you gotta fix the fence, man. Why is there a Spring Trap?
Hey!
I can't see where I'm going, man. What is this? Spring Trap.
Mama!
Hey!
I want to express Spring Bonnie.
Great. What do you think? I haven't concentrated that one in 4 months. You're already. I'm executive.
Hey!
Red Jesus out there in the open.
Red Jesus out there in the open. The basement? Press the shelf for Fred. Oh. Oh, here's a washing machine. The washing machine. The washing machine. Never mind that. It's just the washing machine. What is this? The washing machine. Huh? What the? The washing machine. Oh, it's just protection. Okay. What is this? The washing machine. So where do I proceed to the second act? Wait, what is that? It's a TV. What is this? The washing machine! Oh, what is this? The washing machine! No. No. Oh, what is this? The washing machine! Candles? No! No, what is this?
The washing machine!
Nothing in there. Water pipe? There's a bath in the basement? What kind of game is this? The washing machine! What is this?
The washing machine.
Wait, the music stopped. Then silence? What? Who is that? Who is that? This is the second act? This is the second act? Where am I and what is this?
The washing machine!
There's like someone made of bricks here. Huh? What in the world? What? Oh, what is this? The washing machine! What is this? Come on, man. You gotta flash your flashlight sometime. Seriously, where am I supposed to go? What the? Oh wait, hold on. I can use that to hide. This one? Oh, he goes into that room.
Hey! 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 Hey!
Is that it? Are you done for today?
Yeah, I'm done. Alright, where's it go to? Oh, I gotta use the D-pad. Oh, okay.
3, 2, 1.
I gotta use the D-pad for this.